Hello dear friends, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a part 2 or an update on my local chicken project. Sit down, relax and enjoy the video. Thank you.
You have the time of your life every single night. The confetti's raining.
As you can see, our first hen has already hatched her eggs and she got 5 chicks. Isn't that great? I'm really proud of this hen and I'm excited for the journey. Just like the rest of the birds, I had left her 8 eggs and she managed to hatch 5. And I think it's a great start for a hen that is hatching for the very first time.
You put your hands to the sky.
Here she had moved out of her nest to go get some feed.
Center of the crowd, you're the talk of the town. And I tell myself I don't want that. What glitters isn't gold. I tell myself I don't need it, cause I'm fine on my own. But I hate.
They get out of their nests from time to time to get some feed and water, and then they go back.
Being on the outside looking through a window. I say I don't want it.
After 2 days, our hen number 2 hatched her own chicks. This particular hen had left her with 8 eggs as well, and she hatched a good number of chicks. It wasn't her first time hatching. How many chicks do you think she hatched? Kindly comment down below in the comment section and tell me how many chicks you think this particular hen hatched. Thank you.
But I'm so full of it. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna hold on to somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. Living your life through a lens, perfect pretending. You think no one can tell.
On this day, the 2 hens were already out of the nests and they were moving around with their chicks. With this movement, I faced a challenge and I got a solution for it. Watch ahead and you're going to see how I fixed this challenge, and I'm going to be telling you what the challenge is. Here the chicks and the mother hen were feeding from the ground, and I can assure you it's okay. Where the feed was okay. And these are local birds which have been running around freely and picking their own food from the ground. I don't want to change a lot about them. Much as I try to modernize things, I want to still give them a chance to live their life just the way they have been living it before I started this project. On that note, I'm going to be letting these birds brood their chicks till something like a month.
But everything's just fake now.
This was another 3 days later, and this one had already started hatching. It started with 1 and it did it slowly but surely. This is ash. I was spreading it around the area that I demarcated, which was a solution to the problem I mentioned earlier in the video. And the problem was the hens were being aggressive with the chicks that are not theirs. And also some of the hens were trying to steal the other hens' chicks. And so I decided to separate them using some old nets in order to have each hen have its individual compartment. This is an improvised technique, and probably after a while I'm going to be installing something better. But you also know that right here we use what we have. Yeah, we start with what we have and then we keep on improving as we go, getting better and starting making profit from our business. Talking about improvising, I started by using those sheets so that the chicks can be able to reach the feed, but then I later replaced them with feeders, or the bottom part of the feeders.
You're becoming the person you once hated. You also used to say that. I tell myself I don't want that. What glitters isn't gold. I tell myself I don't need it, cause I'm fine on my own. But I hate being on the outside looking through a window. I say I don't want it, but I'm so full of it. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the
By this point, our third hen had already laid more than 1 chicks and it was still going. I asked my dear viewers to comment and tell me how many chicks you think our second hen laid. Kindly go ahead and tell me how many chicks you think our third hen laid.
Party, I wanna hold on to somebody. Cool. Life of the party, life of the party, life of the party.
By now, our hen had already come out of the nest and our chicks were thriving.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you've got style, the way your body keeps my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you.
After I had put the other hens in their individual compartments, I decided to leave the new mother outside so that it can run around freely with its chicks around the coop. But guess what? I made a mistake. Those stains you're seeing on the net are stains from the 2 hens fighting. They're blood stains, and these 2 hens were fighting. So this new mother's chicks would go encroaching on the net, and the other one would repel them by fighting them. And then the new mother would retaliate and fight the other hen. And so I saw it was becoming risky, and so I decided to build her own compartment as well. If you've watched up to this point, I really appreciate you. Kindly leave me a comment and tell me what you think, or ask me anything you'd like to know. Like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. My returning subscribers and viewers, I really appreciate you. You're the reason I keep showing up here. Thank you so much. And may God bless you.
Can't you see I want you?
Our 4th hen decided to lay outside the chicken coop in another room, and it's sitting on 7 eggs. Let's see how many eggs it will hatch. If you'd like to know where I started this journey, kindly watch the previous video. And if you would like to be part of this journey but haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. May God bless you. We meet in the next one.
You